Whether you're signed into your code.org account or not, you can access Hour of Code activities at any time. It won't keep track of what you've done, but the activities are meant to be short so you could finish them and do a whole bunch of different ones without ever worrying that you're going to lose your place. So how we get there is we go to hourofcode.com. You see that up here. And then right here, this is what the website looks like, and we click try it. It's going to bring us to a page with a whole lot of activities. And I'm going to show you how to use the filters so that you can find something that's just right for you. So we have pre-reader, grades 2 through 5, 6 through 8, or grades 9 and up. Now, over here might be a little better pick for you. If you're a beginner and brand new to coding, click the beginner one. If you've done coding before at some after-school camps or Zoom classes at this point, you can click comfortable. But we can also choose what you're going to do this coding on. If you're going to use a computer, if you're going to use an Android device, an iPad, an iPhone, if you don't have internet, or if you want to do something without a computer device, there's even unplugged activities that you can do where you print something out and you do the thinking that's involved in coding without actually doing it on a computer. Most of the activities are going to be self-led tutorials that are fun for you. What says lesson plans here, that's more for teachers. And you can pick an hour, 1 hour with follow-up, or a few hours. And blocks are the type of language that we've been using, but if you're really good at coding, try a new challenge, try typing. If you click other, there's other types of codes that you can do. So if we filter for second grade, and I'm brand new at coding and I want to use blocks, wow, there's some new stuff here. We've got the dance party, which was there last year. Imagine a world, code a happy place meditation app, Beaver Achiever. That looks fun. I think I'm going to pick that one. What are you going to pick?